Yo, Busha for me, Chamunina, we Yesudimu, Christo, Asundi, and Camo. The Master and so that Chaminum, and day 2, and I say, second video here for reaction. Now, and drive me release video, in fact, not responses and that banner, in fact, in many Ajapa. I mean, still now, values, oh, there are still values in people. Now, at the time, I'm sorry, and now we are sending me 2 other videos related to Andrade na to me emergency idea me combining me na ya hwe na ya sanso akere ya adwene wo ho bio na I think say RME no mu free education system ni mu no eno na akofa sa anyamo na ba ye yi nyankopon free system ni mu ye yi nyame free system ni mu eno mo cheche se nyoma ehia what I say enti mesra so watch channel so na new to channel na hit subscribe button like video na share mo bi mo comment and more like no ehia ma channel we say channel no so be kunenimu na fene say information bi a yetumi akasa fa ho yankopon hira mo enti yensembre na mo ma hwe sa videos we no mo hwe we pe na ya che ya adwene wo ho in fact isi ade bia Ghana no ye kono ye youth no level o mu remu ene che se subamboni o musia no fact kamia say ni future enti mumie kokokwe video no
hi we be mana akwati so a
Yendi.
achia
Yendi.
anonya kokwa
Yendi.
shwana segunsa
Yendi.
ukoya na wabra
Yendi.
usisi momra
Yendi.
umawure wua
Yendi.
omatom tashia
Yendi.
uni 5k
Yendi.
ukwa na wabra
Yendi.
ubusu ninua
Yendi.
uni 6 packs
Yendi.
unentra papa ya
I'm against 13 February. Money mo girls be giant. SethEkow day, owo, accident, and so
on fire them.
Ningi na ye toma mo why?
Amen.
Ye toma mo why?
Gifts,
Chocolates kakra mo be ma ye dinsi. Be giant 13.
And any cats. Uko visual students come from the 2 cities cry.
SethEkow chocolates, 2 cedi 50 pesos and here I bo be dia. Okay, imana mo sorry am the virgin akata mo niso. I am ma mema ni. Why? Na mu wu am na be di. Etwe eyedren. Mo di kitwe we. Mama check your half, mama try taste kakra na eyedren.
It's even as if they'll never, after they don't let them eat, so they'll get some stupid boys.
Post no to be brave busi na into girls so much so.
Oh, welcome to the Smile Girls. Hey, me ya shower cry.
Ebi o fie,
Me ya rubber cry.
ebi o fie,
Me ya shower cry.
ebi o fie,
Me ya rubber cry.
ebi o fie.
Wonderless are flowing. Coins are making eyes. Kasi ya poor mema. Kasi ya walk of a temperature show but tomorrow. She yay. You put the wussy if you don't want to cash. My house here. Obedi. Miss out here. Obedi. Me no me angasa me di me hu. So me shi mu angasa. Me mini boy ba ku. Me fa wa. Ai wura de me chwe. Yeah, fa nya shi o. Oh yeah de. Me ma no me ma na angasa na pa no kra. Ma me kan shi. Me hu. Me ka chom. Pio, you put in the pit and no more. Hey, man, when we just make a bottom. When you mean, what's your money? You want to come? Man, I am a yes. When you so come in a man of pan, a coyana, I won't come to my commerce. Wait, see me, papa. Man, what's your money?
what I say a brana RME a function na RME let's just say you funny serious no na hard say obehu sa nyoma we dey me enko ye chikakra 10 years ago 15 years ago na say anajo ebo 8 na wotiche ni kura hu e wa bonten a just the next day ne dey ufunu dey be tan e wo school e be say me kaka mo kakra me nyini de but me be say me kaka mo kakra sa woni obi ba gina nkwa nchen na mo isu tem be say o checha no just say o na no fefa no ho na sa obi papa kra nam no hu za woni obi ba gina ho a eno kra na case de maw those days no udi agro na won sakra ko ba akwala bi enufu a wo problem the way ama me ne besi bi de prior bejinjam weni so no those days ukobo oba to a na haram what you say enso ene obi tumi de obi ba fam ban ho kese enioma ekoso no wo de hwe nkwala we age ma mo highest cry 15 years de na Ghana ye kono finance Ghana ye ko enye mo asa ne saka ofo boys ne kumo no saka ofo boys ne bekoso ekumo because omu nso nyansa ombekoso e de maye amonyankama de because omu bese mo nso nyansa nkwala amaba mo ani nda ho mo ani enda ho yenti ne nti asem ni ye pa before asem de bandu bese enda comment na ba en making kan mekan mo bia mebo bia di na makan ne comment ne nso e wa hasi aha this year na pese ye no what I say kese enioma ekoso o Ghana say usurupo usuru o men ko comment wo na men ko kinkan ndo ye nuano mo comment no mo de baaye no we free Mavis and I say asemo schools have failed, churches have failed, hence this outcome. Parents, be firm on your children. What I say we yes stand so Mr. John Cross I say very sad. What I say ostusi I say obonsama tre na hie mu pa o ai no so de ba say hey agimi nsempo I'm shocked no so de ba be we sister ohima abrefi or SethEkow it will surprise you that the more of these teachers are dating some of them. I still stand by my words. The end time is near. No kwasempa na woka no sister nakupon shiraw Mr. Emmanuel Hagan I said God our time has come to an end. Modern world controlled by satanic kingdom. Period. Millie daddy. Also, they was a very shameful and sad. And also, the other. But Abena Royal, I say this is what they are doing in their schools. God have mercy. It's like this anymore. I say no wonders because your leaders are doing the same thing. And I'm saying bye, you know. I boxer shorts. And then they care and Mr. Joshua Poku say, has God not said, train up a child in the way he should go, and when he is old, he will not depart from it. Proverbs 22, verse number 6. I say, few down verses in that same chapter, and we read, foolishness is bound in the heart of a child, but the rod of correction shall drive it from him. What I say? I make someone chill. Me where says ni gwaye. Is you. You're share in 24 pound you guy. Come on, and then we now pet. You will be in trouble. You will be in trouble. Aha, you'll be in trouble. Let me quickly go through his post. D nearby D. I said there's nothing new under the sun. These things exist in our society a long time ago and nothing new. Thank God for smartphones and internet for bringing this to the light. Our teenagers have been sexually active a very long time ago. Therefore, I am not least surprised. This is the reality. Nyankopon shawe didi or the bad way, sister Mercy Kunla. I was so sad to see these things. The end is near. I'm a Florence. I said, Ajimi nsem. Just say comment in the doors. Comment in the baby. Na ba kwa me pene de to soro ho. Just obi a be ho wait my like Alpha and Omega. I said thanks SethEkow for this wonderful work you are doing. May God keep you and grant you wisdom and knowledge. It's very sad. In fact, I saw the video on my school platform and there was a letter supposedly attached about their suspension from the boarding house. Oh, wonderful. So suspension about Momo. So Ghana has rejected God and is quickly spreading from our leaders to these young girls. These girls need discipline, prayers, and also counseling. They should be made aware that their image has been tarnished. They may have been seeking attention, but now a tag has been placed on them which can affect their marriage in the future, their job, and many more. I believe the schools should come together and take a bold approach because it is happening in most of the schools. Our parents disciplined us because they loved us. God's word says, spare the rod and spoil the child. Discipline should be part of a healthy society, but we should do so in love. Alpha and Omega. That was a brilliant comment. Wonderful. Nanachi, our leaders also did the same thing. Why? They learnt this from the slave queens. Okay. Franklin Frempo. I say schools have failed, churches have failed. Hence, this outcome. Parents, be filming your children. Yeah. I say, also by Mr. Franklin Frempo, I say, these days, when I go out, I ask myself, has God stopped creating men? All these young men are like girls and women wearing earrings with some funny clothing on my mind. Matthew 24, verse 22 on my mind. Mr. Selina Chan say the school authorities should punish them. Mr. EKOWREACTION, I say the end is here. The truth of the matter is the teachers are sleeping with them. That's what Ghana is heading to. Oh, okay. And then Sister Patricia J. Akun, I say if my sister is part of this, my father will kill her because she wouldn't know. I say we don't do that. Even she will be afraid of Elizabeth. I say, Lord, have mercy. The enemy is at work. He knows he has some short period of time. We have to pray for them. Jesus is coming quickly. And also, Mr. Imanajen, one funny comment. I say, hey, am I dreaming or is real? They need to be sacked immediately. Mr. Amasian, I say, may God help our country. Oh, I'm a Ghana. Mr. Elizabeth Mensah, as Ghana is doomed, even in their uniform, proud of showing themselves in public, action should be taken. And Jay say suspension about Momo. That's what I've heard so far. Michael, Etiamo, as a demon speaking and they need deliverance. Elizabeth Benya, sorry. As a charity begins at home, but it should not end there. Ama Kwatma, as may God have mercy on our children, where they are going today. Children of today, where are their mothers and fathers? I feel sad for them. Sister Priscilla Akubata, mercy. Repercussions of right without responsibility. It will take a whole day if I am to explain in detail. Obey to my audio and the breme. Your audio and fast send me na. I say, hey, I can't even close my mouth. Oh God, have mercy on this case because they don't know what they are doing. Where is Sister Rita Boache? I don't know they are the buyer, no. Mame Jemima, as HIV sir. At first I thought there's nothing like HIV in Europe, but no. Come and see. Just say, Matchkin, yours and Sister Matchkin. I wonder self, is this our future leaders? May God change them. Robert Awachi, boss, I said the benefit of removing Bible knowledge from school. And no nana make one sem, and we have not seen nothing yet. And one sem nana make Bible no me yefi one, are me no me yefi mono, or me yefi. Social studies, I don't believe say your mother so yet. I don't know. Mr. Elizabeth say, I said the little and the young are copying what they see. All the old men sleep with the little girls. So what you saw is just a ripe. It's bad. This must change, and we are all Christian. We call ourselves Christian country. Are we really? And your mama say, I think, is it last week? No video be trend. The videos mensaka videos miensa. Oluma be on rack as I watch it. Young nice girl be black girl be at. I say. Na the course of video no in fact me kasa me kan wa ha yare ho just say we try no beginning to end wa record no ti asem ni yi enen kwala ya ba just say nkokrafo ni penifo agura just say papa ne maame no mu die no na isi omo peso mudi Enti asem ni pa. Where is Tashalo? Asemu. Where are we going? Amagana. Mothers, let's wake up and pray very hard. Serious to our God for mercy. Where is that Charlotte Asamoah? And so Eddie or the buyer, no. It's Angelina na Nedi. I say, I'm even shocked. I can't even think far. Who? Who, Papa? I've been a royal. I said, this is what they are doing in their schools. God have mercy. I say, Mr. Emmanuel Kumi. I say, we pray for God's divine grace and intervention in this barbaric and diabolic world. How can such young, promising youth behave in such a manner? Sometimes when I hear this case and see, I feel like move to the forest and live with animals like Noah time, where was April and so the buyer. No, my leg has me. I saw it's not the youth, it's the old men, and they spoil the country, and God is coming for us. So, I say, gospel to 1 million subscribers. And also that was say Genesis 6 and it repented the Lord that he made man. So no yankopon who so bo nipa. Genesis 6 no. And Minia Isaac Kwabena was they are going for HIV and money ritual. Sakawa boys are waiting for you. Mom was almost pay 5 zeros, you know. 6 packs only the cake count. As a Easter Unis bones, I see they are in uniforms too. KB, God have mercy on Ghana. It will be a charity. Oh my God, I'm short of words. Yeah, man was, hey, which school is this? Just my senior high, and then I'm here. That was the update. I'm saying, I just my idea, no. And to comments in a break, and let me know your thoughts in the comment section. ABN BB, and I will be big about refuge. Go. The next video I may make a kind comment and to say the Maya no Hana. This where a Ghana yeko. Maybe you do know what I say. This is where a Ghana yeko. You do error. Young girls on mobile slave queens behaviors. Idea obi to me for camera stand so Insta ebune pa no wenya 1 million views. Yaman attention. Into a man kwala no so say so almost pay attention. Into an so for camera stand so no akeka nkwase asem. Valentine ebe omo ba banyanyam. What I say omo ba banyanyam da toto omo parents so aba ha omo kwa. Omo refi say parents na struggle obi wo ha ma me bi obre otomoko tontos. Wa bre e de che say omo ndwene papafo no nkra ho. What I say papa fo ni bi so mota ebi mu say mu pra kra bo adwumam omo mfa omo ho nkola mfa parents no ho what I say we sika omo say omo ho no omo mfa omo kra abusuan for let me know your thoughts in the comment section na yes the side we start abraba inti dachi e between papa penny we omo ne from say the future Estes future Cyrus future Marys yesu wi emobo. And the ben was at the age of 10, Claudia Bebunu. Yes, we are mobile non kind. Your best answer share be peace, shalom, with the meaning brass etini.